Pipes need supports to avoid deflections. These supports are generally metallics. The problem comes from the corrosion produced between the pipe and the support. It can create a complete or partial thickness loss of the pipe. The damage of the pipe at contact location with the support is mainly due to lack or degradation of the insulant material between these two components. This contact between the two metals is only one of the several causes of the problem. Humidity may also accumulate between the pipe and the support. In addition, although it is imperceptible, the pipe is always in motion, movement that generates friction that deteriorates the material. In brief, the point of contact between the support and the pipe is a critical area, and it is very difficult to prevent it from quick deterioration. The most common solution is to introduce neoprene, a kind of rubber used for tires that helps to reduce friction and also helps to separate the two metals. Because of mechanical stress accumulation and aging, the rubber could break, leading to galvanic corrosion. We designed a more effective solution, roller kit. The idea is always to isolate the two metals, but at 3X, we use PPS polymer pads thermo-welded on glass fiber fabric, specifically designed for this purpose according to the standard ASME B31.1. This product can be installed on support or on pipe for old or new installations. Roller kit concept, patented by 3X, is a cost-effective solution. A single roller kit allows to repair up to 28 supports. With only 2 models, it is possible to cover a full range of diameter from 4 inches to 56 inches. The pads are secured using the resin, and the result is an insulation layer that avoids humidity, abrasion, galvanic effects, friction. It has a coefficient of 0.16, and that is much more weight resistant than the pipe itself.